Hello, and welcome to this video about AI projects that are making an impact in today's world. In this video, we will be discussing 5 exciting and innovative AI projects that are changing the way we live and work. From healthcare to transportation, AI is transforming every industry, and today we will be exploring some of these projects. Healthcare is one of the most impacted industries by AI. One such project is AI-powered virtual assistants that can help patients manage their health and provide support for their conditions. For example, there is an AI system that can analyze medical images and provide accurate diagnoses, reducing the need for human interpretation and reducing the risk of errors. Another project is the development of AI-powered drug discovery. With the help of AI, researchers can quickly analyze massive amounts of data and simulate the effects of potential drugs on the human body, speeding up the process of drug discovery and improving the success rate. Healthcare is one of the most impacted industries by AI, with a market size of over $1.3 billion in 2021 and projected to grow to $45.2 billion by 2026. In addition to AI-powered virtual assistants and medical image analysis systems, there are also AI-powered diagnostic tools that can analyze patient data to predict potential health risks or detect early signs of diseases. Another project is the use of AI in drug repurposing, where existing drugs are analyzed for their potential use in treating different conditions. This could reduce the time and cost of drug development and make treatments more accessible to patients. Project 2, AI in transportation. Another exciting area of AI is in transportation. One project is the development of self-driving cars, which use AI to safely navigate roads and make decisions in real time. Another project is the use of AI in optimizing logistics, reducing waste and improving delivery times. For example, AI algorithms can analyze data on traffic patterns and delivery schedules to find the most efficient routes for trucks, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. AI-powered traffic management systems can analyze traffic patterns in real time to reduce congestion and improve traffic flow. Another project is the use of AI in predictive maintenance for vehicles and infrastructure, reducing maintenance costs and preventing accidents. AI-powered transportation also has the potential to improve accessibility for people with disabilities or in remote areas. AI is also being used to develop smarter transportation networks, including public transportation systems that can adapt in real time to changing demand and optimize routes for maximum efficiency. Project 3, AI in agriculture. Agriculture is also being transformed by AI. One project is the use of AI in precision agriculture, where AI algorithms are used to analyze data from soil sensors, weather patterns and crop health, to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. Another project is the development of AI-powered drones that can perform tasks such as crop monitoring, irrigation, and pesticide application. In addition to precision agriculture and AI-powered drones, there are also AI-powered systems that can detect and remove weeds or pests, reducing the need for harmful pesticides and herbicides. AI-powered systems can also optimize irrigation and reduce water waste, which is especially important in regions experiencing water scarcity. Another project is the use of AI in predicting weather patterns and their impact on crops, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about planting and harvesting. Another project in agriculture is the use of AI to improve food safety. By analyzing data on foodborne illnesses and identifying patterns, AI can help food producers and distributors identify potential risks and take steps to prevent outbreaks. Project 4, AI in customer service. Customer service is another area that is being impacted by AI. One project is the use of AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer inquiries and provide quick and accurate responses. Another project is the use of AI in sentiment analysis, which allows companies to analyze customer feedback and improve their products and services. In addition to chatbots and sentiment analysis, AI-powered systems can also analyze customer behavior to personalize marketing campaigns and improve customer retention. AI-powered systems can also detect fraud or security threats in customer transactions, ensuring that customer data is kept secure. AI-powered customer service can also provide support for multiple languages, making it more accessible for people from different backgrounds. AI is also being used to develop virtual customer assistants that can provide personalized product recommendations and help customers navigate complex purchasing decisions. Project 5, AI in financial services. Financial services is another industry that is being disrupted by AI. One project is the use of AI in fraud detection, where AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data and identify potential fraud in real time. Another project is the development of AI-powered financial advice, where AI systems can provide personalized investment recommendations based on an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. AI-powered systems can also analyze financial data to detect potential market trends or investment opportunities, allowing financial institutions to make informed decisions. Another project is the use of AI in credit scoring, which can provide more accurate credit assessments and reduce bias in the lending process. AI-powered financial services can also provide personalized financial advice for different life stages, such as retirement planning or saving for college. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI is transforming industries and making a positive impact in the world. From healthcare to finance to agriculture, AI is changing the way we live and work. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, and it is an exciting time to be a part of this field. As AI continues to advance, there is no doubt that it will play an even greater role in shaping the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more AI-related content.